Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 controller to a PC with a USB or Bluetooth adapter. First, let's explore the simplest method, the wired connection. Simply plug one end of your micro USB cable into the top of your PS4 controller, then connect the other end to an available USB port on your computer. Your PC should recognize the controller automatically, allowing you to use it in many games that support X input. This quick setup is perfect for immediate play. Now, for wireless freedom, ensure your PC has Bluetooth capabilities, ideally using a Bluetooth 4.0 or newer USB adapter. Plug your Bluetooth dongle into any open USB port on your computer. Most modern operating systems will automatically detect and install the required drivers within a few moments, showing a notification once it is ready. If not, check your device manager for any missing drivers or consult the dongle's manufacturer website for specific instructions. This prepares your system for wireless controller pairing. With your Bluetooth dongle installed, it's time to pair your PS4 controller. First, put your controller into pairing mode by holding down the Share button and the PlayStation PS button simultaneously until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. On your computer, navigate to your Bluetooth settings and click Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Select Bluetooth from the options, then choose Wireless Controller from the list of found devices. Confirm the connection, and your controller's light bar should turn solid, indicating a successful pairing. While some games work natively, DS4 Windows greatly expands compatibility and customization for your PS4 controller on PC. This open-source program emulates an Xbox 360 controller, making it recognized by a wider range of games. To begin, download the latest stable release of DS4 Windows from its official GitHub repository. Once downloaded, extract all the files from the zipped archive to a location you can easily access, like a dedicated folder within your Documents or Program Files directory. This prepares the core software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.